Hello, my Poraholic friends. I am Loida, the creator of loveacrylicpainting.com and enchantingfineart.com. Today, I'm just going to be showing you how to do a DIY homemade molding texture paste. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using: just some Elmer's glue, cornstarch, white paint, some mixing, bowls, and all I'm going to do, this is super easy. You're just going to put 1 part cornstarch to 1 part glue. And then you can add a little bit of white paint. That's totally optional. I, almost never use the white paint, but if you find it, that it needs a little bit of color, then go ahead and add some white acrylic paint. And all you're going to do is just basically mix it really well until you get a sort of toothpaste consistency. Now, I have other recipes on my loveacrylicpainting.com website. I have 5 more DIY homemade texture paste recipes. Just go to the URL that you see on the screen, and that's also listed in the description box of this video. Each of these recipes will give you different textures. This one will give you more of a smooth texture. The one with the baking soda will give you more of this rough, porous texture. So just use the one that you think will work best for your project. I will be using this texture paste in my upcoming video that will be released on Sunday, April 24th, 2022. And here's a sneak peek of the amazing project that I have for you this Sunday. As part of the Color Art Spring Team event that will be full of prizes, so don't forget to check out the following trailer video for more details.